Hello everyone, it's Lee again. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video is unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag May 2019 edition. Here. So I know that it's been a little overdue and I received this glam bag 2 weeks ago. I just got busy and now it's the time for this glam bag to be unboxed. Even though you already watched a lot of glam bag unboxing or review, each glam bag is different. By the way, for those of you who didn't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription that you pay for $10 a month. I just wanted to share something on my Ipsy subscription. The April glam bag subscription that I have, I was not satisfied with it. I was dissatisfied with the products that I received on my first glam bag. You can actually see the video that I created last month. I actually tried to cancel my subscription with them. They got a strategy to retain me as one of their subscribers. So what they did is they offered me, or they gave me the opportunity to pick at least 2 products that will appear on this May glam bag. And that actually made me stay with them because I was able to choose the item that I really want to receive on my next glam bag. And I saw that there's a volcanic mask, a Korean volcanic mask, and a highlighter. So I'm expecting that on this bag that we have those 2 items. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, it's actually my first time to open it, and this small bag is so pretty. It's a glittery bag with the Ipsy on it, and we got a little black tassel here. That's pretty, I love it. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Let's open it. Okay, first on the list, we got Petra. I don't know if this is a lip gloss or if this is a lipstick. Let me see. Long-lasting liquid lipstick. OprahCosmetics.com. Oh, it's like color beige or a nude shade, and it's long lasting. Just want to swatch it so that you'll see. It's good. It's not actually a sample product, it's an actual lipstick. You can see I swatch it and it's like this. And I want to put something on my lips too. Let's just put over. It's like that. Whoa! Wow! Do you see, guys? The difference? It's like a golden lipstick. But for me, it looks beautiful. I love it. So our next one, let me see what we got here. Okay, what is this? Let me see. Oh, it's a nail polish. Okay, it's actually a nail polish. And let's see what color do I got. All our nail polishes are cruelty-free, paraben-free, Pretty Woman NYC, hashtag Pretty Woman US. Wow, it's a glittery gray. That's the color of the nail polish. I liked it too. Let's try it on my nails. I don't know, I'm always like this. If there is something that I receive, I immediately will try it. So it's like this. I tried it on my thumb. It looks like it's beautiful. The third one, let us see. Oh my god, this is the one that I'm waiting for. It's the Innisfree. It's a Korean brand for volcanic masks. I love it. I got it. It's a pore clearing clay mask. So this is actually a clay mask with super volcanic clusters. So I can't wait to try it out. It's very small, but looks like I'll be able to use it for a certain period of time. Look. Let us see how many ml we got here. Just a sample product, so it's very small, but it's 20 ml. Okay, we're down to 2 items. So let me check the fourth product. Oh my god, this is the one that I like. This is the one that I picked. The highlighter. Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. 24K Magic. Get glowing. Our ultra fine high impact formula will pop at your favorite features. Oh, let's open it if it's beautiful. It's hard to open. Oh, it's a darker shade. Let me swatch it. I think this is good for morenas. This is how it looks like. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but it's a bit darker. It's a bit darker shade. Because I do have a highlighter on my face, so let me just try to, I don't know, put it here. You'll be able to see it. There. It's a bit darker, so I won't be able to appreciate it. Right now, I think I need to do a full makeup, so that I will see if it's beautiful or if it's a good highlighter. This is very small, so this is good for travelers or for traveling. That's why I opted to keep my subscription. I like the 3 other products that I received. This highlighter is good also, however I'm afraid that this will not fit my skin tone. Aww. And the last one, oops, what is this? I think it's the eyeliner. And it's like a crayon. This one is, yeah, it's an eyeliner pen. Here. Not sure if I will be able to use it because I'm fan of liquid eyeliner. So let's see. Pixi by Petra. Let's see. Ah! Oh my god! It got broken. You broke it, look. Shucks. I would need a sharpener for this. It's like a charcoal, but it's like this. I'm not sure if I'll be able to use it. I think I won't. But look. It's so messy. Super messy. So that's just lashes show that this is not a smudge-proof eyeliner. So yeah, those are the products that I received, and there is this little card that will tell you all the products that they sent you. There's like a breakdown inside if you would like to see more detailed. Okay guys, so that's about it for Ipsy unboxing review, or for Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing May 2019 edition. Comment down below. I enjoyed unboxing with you guys. It is my first time to unbox and it feels really good. If you would like to see more of this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell. And if you have any comments or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!